If you're a CEO and you don't know how your team is using AI right now, your company is already falling behind. According to a recent study by Cisco, a large number of CEOs are simply not keeping pace with AI advancements. In my work coaching CEOs, I see the divide firsthand. Some CEOs are fully immersed. They're AI first leaders, building their entire companies around artificial intelligence. Others are dabbling with it in a few departments. But the majority, they're not actively learning, leveraging, or leading with AI. And that's a serious risk to long-term success. So the question becomes, how do you catch up fast? The first step, but often missed, is a simple one. AI needs to be on the CEO's agenda. You don't need to be an expert, but you do need to be asking the right questions. What's happening in engineering with AI? How are we using AI in product development, marketing, or customer service? What tools are we experimenting with? Are we paying for anything we're not using? And beyond the questions, there's the culture. As CEO, you need to create a culture of experimentation and learning and innovation. AI isn't just ChatGPT or a new software add-on. It's embedded in almost every modern tool your company is already using. And it's evolving fast, so fast that even my most AI-savvy CEOs can't keep up with every development. That's why you delegate, you encourage, you build systems that promote ongoing exploration, feedback, and internal training. Here's the mindset shift. It's not about being an expert in AI, it's about being an AI enabler. You encourage every department to test tools, share learnings, and report back on what's working and what isn't. You make it clear that people who are actively using AI to improve their work are the ones who are going to move up. Because it's no longer just about performance, it's about adaptability. If you're a CEO wondering how to even begin building this AI-forward culture or how to ask the right questions and evaluate what's working, this is where I come in. Click the link in the description to schedule a complimentary CEO coaching call, and we'll connect to see if we're a good fit to help you catch up and stay ahead. AI is not just another tool, it's the biggest transformation we'll witness in our lifetime. CEOs who embrace it now will lead companies that thrive. Those who ignore it, they'll be replaced, not by AI itself, but by someone who uses it better. You don't have to know everything, but you do need to lead the change. You need to lead the charge. Put AI on your agenda, empower your teams to explore, and create a company that's not just reacting to the future, but actively building it. Thank you.